Alright, we are ready to go ahead and start with network analysis. So we are going to get into an actual network traffic analysis in this section. Now, there is something that you are definitely going to see a lot in these challenges are either they are forensic challenges or miscellaneous challenges. So just by themselves and its own network category, there is something called as a network analysis where they will be given a capture of network and you can use it for analyzing network traffic. So there is some tool that you can use to analyze that traffic. For example, you will be given something like this, a network dump file, and using that network dump file you need to find the flag, you need to solve the challenges. So this file will be the trace or snapshot of the network at certain point of time. So by looking at this snapshot of the network traffic, you need to solve the challenge. Now by solving these challenges, you will be ready for any type of ethical hacking challenges. And this is also usually done in the companies where you will be just accepted as a pen tester. Your main job will be to see if there is any vulnerabilities in the network, and you can do it using some tools that we are going to learn in this video. So typically what we do is we typically use this dump as a tool to see if there is some leak in our traffic, and if there is, then we are going to check it and we are going to solve that problem. So typically we are going to use the tool that is called as Wireshark. So I'll open the terminal. You can do it in both ways, by going into the GUI tool or from the terminal. So here, this is the dump file I need to open, and the tool name is Wireshark. So this is the tool, and give dash R to open a or read a new file, and the file name is shark1.pcap.ng. Now let me hit enter. Then this Wireshark tool will be opened, and you can see the time, source and destination is the different computer IP addresses. So this is the source from where the packet was traveled to the destination, and protocol of this packet and length and information about this packet. And you can see there is a HTTP protocol, there is a TCP protocol. You need to find these protocol types and you need to check each and every type of it, and you need to understand and get detail into it to find the flag and to find the network leak. So in the next video onward, we are going to discuss about this Wireshark, the terminal of this Wireshark, and going to solve some of the challenge with the hands-on practice, so you can able to start your own challenges and solve this type of network traffic challenges.